Welcome on into another episode of the Crypto Doe Show. And today we are talking about bull trap. Is this a bull trap? And it can play out to be a bull trap. But before I get started, I'm Crypto Doe, once again here to share everything I know with you guys so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That is all I ask. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That is all I ask. Now, with that being said, last time I checked, the market, Bitcoin was at 87,000, bouncing between 86 and 87. XRP was at $2.22 last time I checked. But I've been telling you guys, okay, we did have a bounce, right? We had a bounce. And we bounced from 80,000, right? Which some people can say that that's the low. But who's to say? I think it's too early to say what a low is, what a low actually is, right? It is too early to say what a low actually is. So with that being said, if we don't know where the low actually is, Bitcoin to me has another opportunity to go even lower. Now some people may say, Crypto Doe, why are you so calm when the prices go down and all that? Because I have a long-term perspective with crypto. See, I'm not an everyday, what they call it, trader. I get in the market, get in, get out, swing trader. I buy this, sell this next week. I don't have the time for that, right? And I think most people gonna lose their money like that. I'm the type of trader, I study a project, I DCA. What does DCA mean? Dollar cost average into the project, right? And then I may say, you know what? I'm gonna sell this when it gets to this price point. However long that may take. It might take a year, it might take 2 years, it might take 3 years, it might take 4 years, it might take 5 years. I will play the patient game, especially when you know what you hold. I've learned that through XRP. I didn't sell any of my XRP until XRP got to a certain price limit. And I said, I'm going to sell some and keep the rest for another price target. You get it? That will actually eliminate a lot of stress and a lot of checking your phone and making sure that the price point, it makes life a bit easier, right? Trading is supposed to be an easy thing, right? Trading is supposed to be an easy thing. I think people make it difficult. Trading is supposed to be easy. People make it difficult by their behavior and with their emotions. So the reason why I say that this could be a bull trap is why. Bitcoin can go all the way up to 92 to 94,000. If it stays below that, right, we're coming another leg down. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm here to give you the news. This is Crypto Doe. It's real. We're real over here, right? I can't sell you BS. I'm not into the business of that. I'm gonna let you know what it is, even if it's not in your favor or within your bias. I don't really care for all of that, right? Authenticity is the key, correct? Authenticity is the key. So let's be authentic. Now, 92 to 94,000, if Bitcoin rallies above that and close above that for a few days, then we can have another leg up to maybe retest 116, right? Or if Bitcoin don't go above those standards at 92 to 94, it can come back down, and if it breaks 80, it's going to go down to in the 70s. If it breaks the 70s, it's going to go down into its 60s, right? If it breaks that, it's going to go down into its 50s, which means that the 4-year cycle, and some people may not like the analysis of the 4-year cycle, which I think we're in a different cycle. I don't think you can call this 4 years because everything is kind of like, it's a bit different. But some rules apply, some rules don't, and no one can predict the market. So we can't say that this is a 4-year market. I'm not going to say this is a 4-year crypto bull market or a 4-year market and we're going along with old data. This data could be a bit different, right? And I'm okay with that. Now, I say that 2026 we may have started, or we will start a Bitcoin dip, or let's just say a bears market. That's what I think, according to what's going on right now. People are looking for the blow off top. We may not have a blow off top. Bitcoin may have to reset once again to the 72,000 or beneath that. We're going to see, take it day by day to see where it bounces at, right? Or if it's a bull trap. Now, what's a bull trap? A bull trap is basically when you think that the space is bullish. Bitcoin is, yes, it's oversold. A lot of people bought at 80. So people think that it's super bullish after that, right? That could be the trap within itself. That could be the trap within itself. I got a few people in here. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. So I'm just letting you know it looks like a bull trap based on the graph, based on the chart. And forget how I feel. I want Bitcoin to go up. I want altcoins. Well, I don't care if Bitcoin go up. I'm not really, I buy Bitcoin and hold. So if it goes up, it goes, for the long term, it's going to go up. We know that. In the short term or imminently, it can come down. Perfect. I'll buy some more. See, the reason why I don't sweat about this is because as the prices go down to different levels, I just allocate money to buy more. Because I have a long-term perspective with crypto. I'm not in it for the short run. I'm not in it for the year. I'm not in it for the 2 years. I'm in it for 3 years. I'm in it for a decade or beyond. 2035, I may sell something. I'm talking about a big bag of something. So I'm just Mr. Accumulator, Mr. Accumulation. Call me Mr. Accumulation because all I'm doing is accumulating. All I'm doing is doing my research on projects. And if I like the project and the project adds value to the community, value to crypto, and it's solution based, I'm going to buy. That's it. I'll take profit when needed. So that's just how I look at it. Like I say, this looks like a bull trap if you ask me. But I'm going to give you updates to clarify why this could be a bull trap or how it can't be a bull trap. So now everyone's like, okay, Bitcoin has fell to its low. You don't know that 80,000 was its low. People are speculating that 80,000 is its low, but you don't really know if 80,000 is its low. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor, Bitcoin? How low can you go? We don't know. We don't know. And that's totally fine. This is why you take it a day at a time. So I think that the lows could be in its 70s. If it breaks that, we're going to have to do some more charting, right? Put up a Fibonacci and do some more charting. That's it. We move with the market according to how what the data is producing. You don't move against the market. You move with the market. So anyway, so that's just my talking point for today. Is I think that this may be a bull trap. There's a lot of things that's coming in December though. The only thing that can change this is QE, quantitative easing. They print a whole bunch of money, which they plan on doing. The Clarity Act, which is super bullish for the space. The infrastructure is being built out. And as a whole, crypto is doing good because though regulation may not be the key to crypto, because I don't think crypto cares about regulation, right? It's built in its software to be regulated. Regulations mean more control from the BlackRocks and everyone else. And also another caveat that you got to think about is this Michael Saylor strategy. He owns a lot of Bitcoin. So if his company tank, Bitcoin may take a nosedive, which is going to be super bullish for me because I'm just going to be buying more. Michael Saylor may have over leveraged. Michael Saylor may have over leveraged because he borrowed a lot of money to buy Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin don't stay above a certain price point, then let's just say he could tank the price. Then now you also have not Grayscale. Is it Grayscale? JP Morgan. He's in competition with Saylor now because he's like, JP Morgan actually just bust a intelligent move. Based on the bankers we have. It may not be good for us, but he decided to make his own stable coin, right? JPMD, his own stable coin on the Base network. This is why you should study the Base network, right? So they're going to be printing a whole bunch of money to probably buy Bitcoin. But I'm sure that they would want Bitcoin price to tank before they start accumulating a lot of Bitcoin. That's just my theory. But on that note, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is another episode of the Crypto Dough Show. Put on your seatbelt, it's damn near time to take off. And go check out the merch store as well. Go check out the merch store as well. The holiday time is coming. Thanksgiving is coming. Black Friday is coming. In fact, I got to make a Black Friday coupon for everyone. Maybe 20-30% off of things. So let me do that maybe this afternoon or Wednesday. I have a busy day today. Wednesday afternoon, I'll be able to do that. You guys go support. I'm going to make a Christmas coupon, and I'm going to make, let's just say, the holidays, the Hanukkahs, the Christmas, the end of the year, New Year coupon. And then I'm also going to make a Black Friday coupon as well. I appreciate you guys for tuning on in once again. Put on your